that x cube d cube plus 2x square d square plus 2 operating on y equal to 10 times x plus 1 by x. Call that as equation number 1. Now this is a Cauchy-Euler equation. Hence put x is equal to e power z. Therefore automatically z becomes equal to log x base e and theta is equal to d by dz. X d equal to theta. X square d square is equal to theta into theta minus 1. X cube d cube equal to theta into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2. So equation number 1 reduces to theta into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2 plus 2 times theta into theta minus 1 plus 2 operating on y equal to q. Q is nothing but 10 into x plus 1 by x. Now on further simplification, theta square minus theta and then 2 theta square minus 2 theta plus 2 operating on y equal to q. Theta square into theta, theta cube minus 2 theta square minus theta square plus 2 theta plus 2 theta square minus 2 theta plus 2 operating on y equal to q. Minus 2 theta square plus 2 theta square get cancelled. Plus 2 theta minus 2 theta get cancelled. So it reduces to the form theta cube minus theta square plus 2 operating on y becomes equal to 10 times e power z plus 1 by e power z. So this is of the form f theta of y equal to q of z, where f of theta equal to theta cube minus theta square plus 2. The auxiliary equation is once again f of m equal to 0, that is m cube minus m square plus 2 equal to 0. M cube, we are going to get 3 roots. So if you put m is equal to minus 1, then automatically minus 1 plus 2, it becomes 0. Therefore m is equal to minus 1 is a root, hence m plus 1 is a factor. So we can write m plus 1, m plus 1, m plus 1 and adjust the corresponding coefficients. We require m cube, so multiply this with m square. We get m cube plus m square, but we require minus m square. So adjust with minus 2m cube, then automatically plus m square minus 2m square becomes minus m square. Minus 2m plus 2m automatically gets cancelled, plus 2 becomes equal to 0. So m plus 1 into m square minus 2m plus 2 equal to 0. So automatically m is equal to minus 1. From this factor we get m equal to b minus b, that is 2 plus or minus square root of b square, 4 minus 4 into a into z, 1 into 2 divided by 2, that is 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 8 by 2, that is nothing but 2 plus or minus 4i square by 2, that is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i by 2, that is 1 plus or minus I becomes equal to m. Therefore what is y? yc, complementary function, c1 e power minus z plus e power, this is a complex root, so e power z into c2 cos z plus c3 sin z. So e power z is nothing but x, so x to the power of minus 1 plus x into e power z is x, c2 cos, instead of z we can write that as log x plus c3 into sin log x. This is your yc. Now what is yp? Yp equal to 1 by theta cube minus theta square plus 2 operating on 10 times e power z plus 1 by e power z. So we are going to split that into sum of two inverse operators. 10 times 1 by theta cube minus theta square plus 2 operating on e power z plus again 1 by theta cube minus theta square plus 2 operating on e power minus z. Now we know the standard formula 1 by f of d of e power ax is equal to 1 by f of a e power ax. Condition f of a not equal to 0. That is equal to x power k by k factorial into 1 by phi of a when e power ax is times e power ax. Condition, what is the condition? F of a is equal to 0. If f of a is 0, then f of d can be written as d minus a power k times phi of d. So here for the first one we apply the first one, for the second inverse operator we are going to apply the second one. So if you replace theta by 1, then this becomes 1 cube minus 1 square plus 2 operating on e power z plus 1 by, and then this factor theta cube minus theta square plus 2, it can be written as, automatically already we have done this, m plus 1 into m square minus 2m plus 2. So instead of m, here we are writing theta. So theta plus 1 into theta square minus 2 theta plus 2 we can write here. Operating on e power minus z. So if you replace in the second one minus 1, this denominator is going to become 0. That means minus 1 is a factor. How many number of times it is a factor? Only once. So x power k. What is k value? 1. So x power 1. Instead of x, what is the variable, independent variable here? Z. So z power 1 by 1 factorial times 1 by 5 of remaining theta. What is that? This is, replace that. Minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. So minus 1 square means 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 plus 2. And then operating on e power minus z. So e power z, that is nothing but x by 2 plus z means log x by, this becomes 5. E power minus z means x to the power of minus 1. So yp equal to 10x by 2, that means 5x. 10 by 5, that means 2. 2 times log x by x. Therefore finally the general solution of the given differential equation is given by y equal to yc plus yp. Therefore y is equal to c1 by x plus x into c2 log cos log x plus c3 sin log x plus 5x plus 2 by x log x. I hope this is clear to some. Cauchy-Euler equation. So once again Cauchy-Euler differential equation mode, third problem. X square d square plus 2xd minus 12 operating on y equal to x cube log x. So this is a Cauchy-Euler differential equation. Hence we consider the transformation x is equal to e power z. Therefore z is equal to log x by c and theta equal to d by dz. Xd equal to theta. X square d square is equal to theta into theta minus 1. So the given differential equation 1 becomes x square d square. So theta into theta minus 1 plus 2 times xd, that is theta minus 12 operating on y equal to e power, that is what is x cube. X is nothing but e power z. E power z is nothing but x cube, e power z whole cube, that is e power 3z into log x. What is log x? That is nothing but z. So this becomes theta square minus theta plus 2 theta minus 12 operating on y equal to z times e power 3z. This becomes theta square plus theta minus 12 operating on y equal to z times e power 3z. Now this is of the form f of theta of y equal to q, where f of theta is nothing but theta square plus theta minus 12 and q is nothing but z e power 3z. Therefore the auxiliary equation is nothing but f of m equal to 0, that is m square plus m minus 12 equal to 0. What are the factors for minus 12? We can write that as m square plus 4m minus 3m minus 12 equal to 0. So m into m plus 4 minus 3 into m plus 4 equal to 0. That is nothing but m minus 3 into m plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore we get m equal to 3 and m equal to minus 4. So yc is nothing but c1 e power 3z. Now the independent variable is z plus c2 into e power minus 4z. But what is e power z? X. So e power z whole cube we can write. So x cube plus c2 into x to the power of minus 4. Now what is yp? 1 by f of theta operating on cube. That is 1 by theta square plus theta minus 12 operating on z e power 3z. But what is the formula? We know that this is the formula that we know. So what is that? 1 by f of d e power ax operating on b becomes equal to e power ax times 1 by f of d plus a operating on b. What is a? A is nothing but 3 and b is equal to z here. So yp becomes e power 3z. Replace d by d plus replace theta by theta plus 3. So that becomes 1 by theta plus 3 whole square plus theta plus 3 minus 12 operating on z. That is e power 3z into 1 by theta square plus 6 theta plus 9 plus theta plus 3 minus 12 operating on z. That is e power 3z into 1 by theta square and then 6 theta plus theta, 7 theta operating on z. So that becomes e power 3z into 1 by theta into theta plus 7 operating on z. e power 3z into 1 by theta into, take 7 common, that becomes 1 plus theta by 7 operating on z. So e power 3z into 1 by 7 theta, take that to the numerator, 1 plus theta by 7 whole inverse operating on z. So that becomes e power 3z by 7, 1 by theta times, now when you expand this, 1 minus variable plus variable square minus variable cube and so on. So 1 minus variable, what is the variable? Theta by 7 plus variable square, theta square by 49 minus etc. operating on z. Now divide with theta. So 1 by theta minus theta, theta gets cancelled, 1 by 7, theta square by theta, theta by 49 etc. operating on z. 1 by theta operating on z is nothing but integral z dz minus 1 by 7 into, oh I missed here, so this becomes 1 by 7, okay, minus z by 7 plus 1 by 49, derivative of z, what is theta? D by dz. So derivative of z with respect to z, that is 1. So this becomes by 7, so e power 3z by 7, z square by 2 minus z by 7 plus 1 by 49. So x cube by 7, and what is z? Log x whole square by 2, and then what is z? By 7 plus 1 by 49. So finally the general solution is y equal to yc plus yp, c1 x cube plus c2 by x power 4 plus x cube by 7 log x whole square by 2 minus log x by 7 plus 1 by 49. That is the complete solution. I hope that is clear. Thank you. Final differential equation, problem number 4. X power 4 d cube plus 2x cube d square minus x square d plus x operating on y equal to 1. Actually, this is not in the Cauchy form, Euler form. D cube means we should get x cube d cube. Additionally, we are having x term here. Here also x cube d square. So another extra x is there. So divide out the equation by x. So x cheta మొత్తం సమీకరణాన్ని భాగించండి. Then this becomes x cube d cube plus 2x square d square minus xd plus 1 operating on y equal to 1 by x. So this is now in the Cauchy Euler differential equation. So what is the transformation? X equal to e power z. Therefore z is equal to log x base e. And then theta is equal to d by d theta dz. Now what is xt? Theta. X square d square is nothing but theta into theta minus 1, and further x cube d cube equal to theta into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2. Now the first equation reduces to the form theta into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2 and plus 2 times theta into theta minus 1 minus theta plus 1 operating on y equal to, what is 1 by x? E power minus z. So when you simplify this, theta square minus theta into theta minus 2, 2 theta square minus 2 theta minus theta plus 1 operating on y equal to e power minus z. So this becomes once again theta square into theta, theta square into minus 2 theta square minus theta square minus into minus plus 2 theta plus 2 theta square minus 2 theta minus theta plus 1 operating on y equal to e power minus z. So this becomes theta cube, and these terms get cancelled. We get minus theta square minus theta plus 1 operating on y equal to e power minus z. So this is of the form f theta of y equal to q of z, where f of theta is nothing but theta cube minus theta square minus theta plus 1, and what is q of z? E power minus z. Therefore, the auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0, that is m cube minus m square minus m plus 1 equal to 0. From these two terms, if we take m square common, m minus 1 minus of m minus 1 equal to 0, this becomes m minus 1 into m square minus 1 equal to 0. That means m minus 1 into m minus 1 into m plus 1 equal to 0. In other words, m minus 1 whole square into m plus 1 equal to 0. That means m equal to 1, 1 minus 1. That means that 1 is repeated twice. So what is the solution? Yc, complementary function c1 plus c2z into e power z plus c3 into e power minus z. Now what is yc? Yc is equal to c1 plus c2 into, what is that? Log x. E power z is nothing but x plus c3 into, what is e power minus z? X inverse. Now yp equal to 1 by f of theta q of z. Now 1 by theta cube minus theta square minus theta plus 1 operating on e power minus z. But this can be written as in the factor form in factors theta minus 1 whole square into theta plus 1 e power minus z. What is the coefficient of z? Minus 1. When you replace theta by minus 1, this whole denominator is becoming 0. So that means minus 1 is repeated one time. Okay, the root is repeated once, minus 1 is repeated. So we know the factor, we know the formula 1 by f of t operating on e power x is equal to x power k by k factorial into 1 by phi of t operating on e power x. What is phi of f here? F of t equal to d minus a whole power k into phi of t. So here, what is a? A is equal to minus 1. What is f of theta? Theta minus 1 whole square into theta plus 1. This is nothing but theta plus 1 into phi of theta. What is phi of theta? The remaining term, that is theta minus 1 whole square. Therefore, this becomes x power k. What is the independent variable here? Z. Z power k. What is k? K is 1. Z power 1 by 1 factorial 1 by phi of a. Phi of a. That means phi of minus 1 operating on e power minus z. So z into 1 by, what is phi of theta? Theta minus 1 whole square. So this becomes minus 1 whole square operating on e power minus z. Minus 1 means minus 2. Minus 2 whole square means 4. So z by 4 e power minus z. So what is z? Log x by 4. What is e power z?
1 by x.
E power minus z means 1 by x. So finally the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. That is c1 plus c2 times log x into x plus c3 by x, okay, plus 1 by 4x into log x. Thank you.